Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are safe at your home. Students, today we are starting exercise 2B. Question number 1 of this exercise is multiply. First part is 2 upon 3 by 11. So let's solve it. 2 upon 3 multiplied by 11. While multiplication, you will check whether the numerator or denominator both are divisible by any same number. No, here numerator is 2 and 11, denominator is 3. Numerator and denominator both are not divisible by any same number. So we will simply multiply these numerator, which is 2 11s are 22, and denominator will remain same 3. Okay, you can also change it into the mixed fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. 3 sevens are 21, subtracted 1. So denominator will remain same. This quotient will become the whole number and this remainder will become numerator. So what is your answer? 7 whole 1 upon 3. Now let's do this fourth part. Here this first fraction is mixed fraction. So firstly you will change it into the improper fraction. How do you change? Multiply this denominator 12 by 3. 12 3s are 36. 36 plus 7 is 43. So write 43. Fourth part. 43 upon 12 multiply this is 21. Now check the numerator and denominator. This 12 and this 21 both are divisible by 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 7s are 21. Now multiply the numerator by numerator, that means 43 by 7. What do you get? You get 301. And the denominator is 4. Again numerator is greater than denominator, so you can write it into the mixed fraction. Divide the numerator 301 by the denominator 4. 4 sevens are 28. 2. Copy down the next digit. 4 5s are 20. 1 is remainder here. So write your answer. Denominator will remain same, which is 4. This quotient will become the whole number 75. And this remainder will become numerator. So what is your answer now? 75 whole 1 upon 4. Now the next part, sixth part is 6 whole 9 upon 10 multiply 1 whole 1 upon 23. These are in mixed fraction. So firstly you will change it into the improper fraction. Improper fraction में change करेंगे. How will you change it? Multiply this 10 by 6. Plus 9. 10 6 are 60 plus 9 69 upon 10. Multiply 23 ones are 23 plus 1 24 upon 23. Now check the numerator and denominator. Are they divisible by any same number? Yes, this 69 and this 23 both are divisible by 23. 23 ones are 23. 23 3s are 69. This 10 and this 24 both are divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 12s are 24. Now multiply the numerators. 3 multiplied 12 is 36 and denominator 5 multiply 1 is 5. Again numerator is greater than denominator, so you will change it into the mixed fraction. Divide 36 by 5. 5 sevens are 35. 1. Denominator will remain same 5. This quotient will become the whole number 7 and this remainder will become numerator. So what is your answer now? 7 whole 1 upon 5. Now the next question is find the product of. They have given 3 fractions here and they are asking to find the product of these fractions. So write here 3 upon 5 multiply 15 upon 16 multiply 4 upon 7. Check whether the numerator or denominator are divisible by any same number. If yes, then cut them. This 5 and this 15 both are divisible by 5, so cut them. 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15. Okay, this 4 and this 16 both are divisible by 4, so cut them. 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4. Now in numerator you have 3 multiply 3 multiply 1, and in denominator 1 multiply 4 multiply 7. 1 multiply 4 multiply 7. Multiply them. 3 3s are 9 upon 4 7s are 28. This is your answer. Now let's do the second part. These fractions are in mixed fractions, so change them firstly into the improper fraction. 3 9s are 27 plus 2, 29 upon 3. Multiply 30 upon 29. Multiply 6 upon 15. Multiply 5 7s are 35 plus 1, 36 upon 5. Now check, is numerator or denominator both are divisible by any same number. This 29 and this 29 both are divisible by 29. 29 ones are 29, 29 ones are 29. Or you can directly cut them. Okay. Now this 3 and this 6. 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6. Okay. This 15 and this 30. 15 ones are 15, 15 2s are 30. Okay. Now check, numerator is 2 multiply 36 and denominator is 5. Numerator and denominators are not divisible by any same number now. So simply multiply the numerators. 2 multiply 2, 4. 4 multiply 36 is 144. Upon 5 ones are 5. Numerator is greater than denominator, so this can be written in the form of mixed fraction. So right here, 5 2s are 10, 5 8s are 40. So denominator will remain same, which was 5. This quotient will become the whole number and this remainder will become the numerator. So your answer is 28 whole 4 upon 5. Next, question number 3. Find value of. First part is 3 upon 4 of means multiply 32 kilogram. Now this denominator and this numerator both are divisible by 4, so cut them. 4 ones are 4, 4 8s are 32. Multiply the numerators. This is 3 multiply 8 kilogram and denominator is 1, which is equal to 24 kilogram. This is your answer. Now let's do the second part. 2 upon 7 multiply 1 week. Now the numerator and denominator both are not divisible by any same number. So we can write this 1 week into the 7 days, because we know 1 week is equals to 7 days now. So in place of this 1 week, I am going to write here 7 days, because we know 1 week is equals to 7 days. Now this 7 and this 7 both can be cancelled out, or you can say 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. Okay. So in numerator now you have 2 ones are 2 and denominator is 1, which is equals to 2 days, which is your answer. The next part is 1 upon 3 of 15 upon 16. Now check the numerator and denominator. This denominator, which is 3, and this numerator both are divisible by the 3. So cut them. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. Now the numerator is 5 ones are 5 and the denominator is 16 multiply 1 is 16 ones are 16. So your answer is 5 upon 16. Now let's do the next part. This part, 7 upon 9 of 45. This 9 and this 45 both are divisible by 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 fives are 45. Now multiply the numerator. 7 fives are 35 and denominator is 1. So we can say that our answer is 35. Now the next question is simplify, and its first part is 2 whole 4 upon 5 plus 1 whole 3 upon 10, and outside the bracket this is 1 whole 1 upon 2. Now these are in mixed fraction, so change them into the improper fraction. 5 2s are 10 plus 4, 14 upon 5 plus 10 ones are 10 plus 3, 13 upon 10. 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3 upon 2. Now firstly solve the bracket, because according to BODMAS we solve the bracket first. Denominators are different, so you will make them equal by taking LCM. How do you take LCM? Let's check it. 5 as it is, 2 5s are 10, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So the LCM is 5 2s are 10. So make the denominator 10. To make this 5 10, with which number you will multiply it? 5 2s are 10. So multiply this numerator also by 2. 14 multiply 2 plus 10 ones are 10. So multiply the numerator by 1. Multiply 3 upon 2. Now solve it. 14 2s are 28 plus 13 ones are 13 upon 10. Multiply 3 upon 2. Add them. 28 plus 13 is 41 upon 10. Multiply 3 upon 2. Now denominator and numerator both are not divisible by any same number. So simply multiply the numerator. 41 multiply 3 is 123. And the denominator is 10 multiplied 2 is 20. Again, numerator is greater than denominator, so you can write it in the form of mixed fraction. Divide this 123 by 20. 26 are 120. 3 is remainder here. So you can write it as denominator will remain same 20. This quotient will become this whole number and this remainder will become this numerator. So your answer is 6 whole 3 upon 20. Now let's do the next part. Next part is 1 whole 5 upon 6 multiply 2 whole 3 upon 4 plus 1 whole 5 upon 6 multiply 1 whole 3 upon 4. Firstly, change these mixed fraction into the improper fraction. 6 ones are 6 plus 5, 11 upon 6. Multiply 4 twos are 8 plus 3, 11 upon 4. Plus 6 ones are 6 plus 5, 11 upon 6. Multiply 4 ones are 4 plus 3, 7 upon 4. This is 121 upon 6 fours are 24 plus 11 sevens are 77 upon 6 fours are 24. Denominators are same, so you will write the denominator once and add the numerators. Add them. 7 plus 1 is 8, 7 plus 2 9, 198 upon 24. Now this numerator and this denominator both are divisible by 2. So cut them. 2 9s are 18, 2 9s are 18. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again this numerator and this denominator both are divisible by 3. To cut them, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So what you are getting now? In numerator there is 33 and denominator is 4. Again numerator is greater than denominator, so you can write it in the form of mixed fraction. How would you write it? 33 divided by 4. 4 8s are 32. Remainder is 1. So this can be written as denominator will remain same 4. This quotient will become the whole number and this remainder will become the numerator. This is your answer, 8 whole 1 upon 4. Now let's do this fourth part. 3 whole 1 upon 4 multiply 2 whole 1 upon 3 minus 1 whole 1 upon 4 multiply 1 upon 5. Firstly, change the mixed fractions into the improper fraction. 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13 upon 4. Multiply 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 upon 3. Minus 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5 upon 4. Multiply 1 upon 5. According to BODMAS, firstly we solve the multiplication instead of subtraction. Okay, so check in this part, is numerator or denominator are divisible by any same number? No. We will solve this part now. This numerator and this denominator both are divisible by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Now write here 13 sevens are 91 upon 4 3s are 12 minus 1 1s are 1 upon 4 1s are 4. Denominators are different, so you will make them equal by taking LCM. How do you take LCM? Take here 12 and 4. 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is. Now the LCM is 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12. So write denominator 12. Okay. Now this is already 12. So no need to multiply by any number, or you can multiply by 1. 4 3s are 12. So you will multiply this numerator also by 3. Now 91 minus 3 1s are 3 upon 12. 91 minus 3 is 88 upon 12. This 88 and this 12 both are divisible by 4. So cut them. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Now it becomes 22 upon 3 and this is an improper fraction. You can write it in the form of mixed fraction. How would you write it? Divide the numerator by the denominator. 3 sevens are 21, remainder is 1. So this can be written as denominator will remain same 3. This quotient will become the whole number and this 1 will become the numerator. So your answer is 7 whole 1 upon 3. Students, today we have done till question number 4 of exercise 2B. In further classes, we will do further questions. Till then, keep practicing and stay safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.